root, the bridge. This is the dorsum nasal. This is the philtrum. Yeah. This is the ala. This is the nostrils. Let's get this. Take my hair. Or the nares. Okay. If you go inside, you'll see the nasal concha. This is the septum. And there you'll see the superior, middle, and inferior concha. Okay. So this area in the back is considered the nasopharynx, this area, this region right in the back. And behind the mouth is considered the oropharynx. Okay? So you have tonsils in the back of the nasopharynx, and then tonsils in the back of the oropharynx and under the tongue. These are salivary glands. You can't see the tonsils. And so if you move down now you come to the laryngopharynx, and this is marked by the hyoid bone. So you move it in the space back there. Okay, so this is the laryngopharynx area. Now in the larynx itself, which is the enlarged part, you will see that this is marked by this cartilage, which is the thyroid cartilage. This is the biggest cartilage in the trachea area. The cricoid cartilage is under the thyroid gland. Okay, so you don't see it here, but this is the location of the cricoid cartilage. And then we see the tracheal rings, which are the tracheal cartilage that has that C shape to it.
What is it?
These blue marks right here. All cartilages on these models are light blue. Okay? In the larynx, if we take it apart, again, here is the same thing. This is the other model. This is the, again, corresponding to the thyroid cartilage. And this is the epiglottis. And you can see this has cartilage in it because it has light blue. Okay? So here's the epiglottis. And if you open it, we will see that in the larynx, behind the thyroid cartilage, you will see the voice box. Okay, and for men, this is larger because their cartilage is bigger. The top ridge is called the vestibula of false vocal cords, and then the bottom part is called the true vocal cords. This one makes sounds. This one just helps. The top one just helps in swallowing. Okay, and pretty much it's the same thing again. If you close it back, this area it would be the area where the cricoid cartilage is, and then you have the tracheal rings. Okay? And then if you look at the lungs, you can be able to tell the lungs. You move down, okay, and there you see the carina, this V-shaped cartilage, okay? And then you have the primary bronchus, okay? And then you have the secondary bronchus. So you can see that this is the right lung because you see 1, 2, 3 secondary bronchi and 2 secondary bronchi, okay? And then it branches again and becomes a tertiary and then the terminal bronchial in the lungs, okay? So you can also see that the right primary bronchus is much shorter than the left primary bronchus, okay? And then after that, you have to go into the lungs to look at the respiratory bronchioles and the alveoli. Okay?
That's it, right?
Yeah. And again, you can tell you can see the lobes. This is the oblique fissure. This is the horizontal fissure, and this is the oblique fissure.